Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to mix your vocals to sound like the Kid Laroi. Now for this vocal preset, I've gone off his song Bleed, and yeah, let's check this out. Guys, by the way, Laroi is a great singer. I'm not a great singer, so go easy on me.
How did your heart been so easy? Mine still bleeds. Hard to believe you don't need me. All those memories we made are burning in my brain, and I'm stuck here yesterday. For me it's still the same. Tell me how did your heart been so easy? Mine still bleeds.
Man, I love that song. Alright, let's check out the mixing, shall we? We'll check out the lead vocal. Guys, if you're looking to cop this vocal preset, the first link at the top of the description, that'll take you to my BeatStars. It's called the Kid Laroi Bleed vocal preset. But let's get into the mixing. Wait, hold on 1 second. As cool as this video and vocal chain is, I gotta know one thing. Who do you really want to sound like? Write in the comments what artists and songs you guys want me to make vocal presets on. Thank you for your suggestion, and I hope you enjoyed the outcome of it. Oh, and another thing, only 6.1% of you guys are subscribed. That is disgraceful. So make sure you subscribe with the bell notifications on so you don't miss out when I make a vocal preset on your suggestion. All right, back to the video. Now for this track, I actually used Melodyne instead of autotune. It's my first time using Melodyne. I was just learning it, how to use it. It's really good, man. It's a great plugin, can't even lie. Next up, I used the FabFilter Pro Q4, which I just took out 150 low end cut, took out a bit of the 230 range, 800, 1200, the nasally frequencies, and boosted a bit of the high end as well. Then we got our first compressor, which was a CLA 2A. Let's check out what that sounds like, just the lead vocal by itself.
How did your heart been so easy? Mine still bleeds.
Sounds okay. Next up we got Manny M Triple D, which is just mainly de-harshing it and as well as de-essing it. It's not doing a whole lot though.
How did your heart been so easy?
It's not really de-boxing it.
Mine still bleeds.
Just making it more easy on the ears. Next up we got the SSL EV2 channel, where I'm just boosting a couple frequencies. I was just using it to EQ. And then we got the CLA 76 for a second compression, just to control dynamics. I'm not going to show you them because that's part of the vocal chain, so if you want to cop it, link in the description. Now, I finally got all the FabFilter plugins again, so I had to try out the Saturn 2 plugin. I remember using this back in the day, had to bring it back. Just using it for a bit of saturation and color. We're using a gentle saturation at a 20% mix and a 30% drive. With all that, it sounds like this.
Hard to believe you don't need me. All those memories we made.
Sounding decent now, sounding decent. Then we've got another Pro Q4. This I just really wanted to try out the, what's it called, spectral EQ. I was trying to make like a kind of Soothe 2 effect with the Pro Q4.
Hard to believe you don't need me. All those
So again, I'm ducking a bit more, boosting frequencies I liked. I brought back the 800 range and boosted the 2.3. I added this slope in, I'm pretty sure it's called a slope, and made it spectral. I really wanted to make something like Soothe 2, so you can see it's moving dynamic when it's ducking all the harsh frequencies. That all sounds like this. And then the last three plugins on the chain is a PoogTech EQ, where I'm just boosting the high end and ducking a little bit of the low end. Vocal Rider, just so to control dynamics. And R compressor to finish off the chain. Now without any buses, this is what the vocal sounds like.
Hard to believe you don't need me. I'm stuck here yesterday.
Sounding half decent, half decent. Alright, now for the sends.
See the jealousy is taking over again. You see the jealousy is taking over again.
Are you wanting a professional sounding radio ready mix and master for your songs? For just $120, I will mix and master your entire song from scratch and get it sounding unreal. Any genre, any voice, hit me up on Instagram or Discord and we can talk about how you want it to sound. And if you DM me the discount code Bailey80, you will receive $45 off your first purchase. So get in quick. The first send, we have got Valhalla Vintage Verb. It's just I'm using a dirty hole at a decay at 4. Cutting out a bit of the low ends, bit of the high ends. That reverb sounds like this.
Hard to believe you don't need me.
Very ambient. I like it. Next send, we have got a plate reverb. Guys, if you don't have these plugins and you want to cop the preset and then just swap out the plugins for like a different plate plugin. Just say you got reverb, you can use a plate off that plugin instead of using this plate plugin, and just try to make it sound similar. Like I'll solo this so you can recreate this plate if you do cop the preset. How do I solo this? Just this. There we go. Just for a bit more ambience. I thought it made the vocal sound cool. And then the final send, we've got a bit of delay. I'm using Timeless. Doing a bit of EQing over here. Quarter note delay. I put the diffuser on. It made it sound kind of cool. Now, as you can see here, where is it? This is my delays. Wait, I'll rename that delay. So I automated like delay throws pretty much. Let's check that out.
Mine still bleeds.
Mine still bleed. Also over here.
For me it's still the same, tell me how.
Yeah, that's wavy. And that's pretty much it. Now the backing vocals, they're pretty much the same. They've got auto-tune on them instead because I couldn't be bothered melodyning all of them. And I'm pretty sure the only difference is that I just compress them a little bit harder and pan them. Some are fully panned left and right, some are like at 40%. Let's check out the harmonies. Damn. Damn, I should like join a choir or something, come on.
All those memories we made are burning in my brain and I'm stuck here yesterday. For me it's still the same, tell me how.
That's pretty much it. If you guys do cop the preset, I'll show you how to load it in. So open up your DAW, get an audio track, add effects, and we're gonna open up Studio Verse. Go to where you downloaded the vocal preset. Here we have the Kid Laroi Blade vocal preset. Hold and drag it in there, and then there we have it. Exact same, and now you're ready to sound like the Kid Laroi. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comments what vocal preset you want to hear next. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new, join the Discord, drop a like if you enjoyed. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out, people.